Buckle up, because today we're stepping into the world of performance-inspired utility with the 2026 Ford Ranger MSRT, a pickup truck that doesn't just work hard, it looks like it's ready to sprint off the starting line. This isn't your average Ranger. This is a truck that blends rugged capability with motorsport DNA, delivering an experience that's as thrilling on the road as it is capable off it. From the moment you see it, you know it's something special. The aggressive front fascia, sculpted MSRT body kit, and aerodynamic styling give it a road presence that demands attention. A honeycomb grille framed by sleek LED headlights, wider wheel arches, and exclusive 20-inch alloy wheels make it look like a performance machine wearing a workhorse's badge. Even the side skirts and aerodynamic rear bumper shout speed and style, while the MSRT badging subtly whispers, "This is not your ordinary truck." Step inside and the motorsport influence continues. You're greeted by hand-stitched premium leather and suede seats with MSRT embossing, a flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in perforated leather, and a cabin that's both functional and luxurious. The latest Sync 4 infotainment system dominates the center, offering a massive touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a crisp digital instrument cluster. Every control feels purpose-built, and the mix of brushed aluminum and carbon fiber style accents adds to its sporty yet refined atmosphere. Under the hood, the 2026 Ranger MSRT doesn't disappoint. Powered by a 2.0 bi-turbo diesel delivering robust torque or the optional 3.0 V6 for even more grunt, it's paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. The suspension is tuned for a sportier feel without compromising load capability, so you get sharper handling and confident stability. Whether you're towing, hauling, or just carving through winding roads, the MSRT makes every drive an event. Pricing reflects its exclusivity, sitting above the standard Ranger trims, but what you get is a fusion of workhorse durability and performance flair. This is for those who need utility but crave excitement. The 2026 Ford Ranger MSRT isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about making the journey unforgettable. And once you've experienced it, you'll never look at pickups the same way again.